Bellingham Public Schools has 2 levies on the ballot in the November 4th election. Voters within the school district boundaries will see these 2 levies when they receive ballots in the mail in October: a supplemental operations levy and a facilities maintenance levy. The focus of this video is the facilities maintenance levy. We know that caring for our facilities today saves money tomorrow.
To keep our facilities running is not as exciting to talk about maybe as what the magic that happens in the classroom with teaching and learning. But that magic of teaching and learning can't happen if you don't have the facility that is running well.
These things that aren't exciting, that like for a student, maybe they don't even think about, but man, you really think about it like if your roof isn't working, right? Or if you don't have the appropriate heat in your building.
The 6-year facilities maintenance levy would fund essential projects that are too expensive or too complicated to be addressed solely by the daily maintenance managed regularly by our staff.
We need roof repairs that are outside the scope of our team, and that we need to bring in subcontractors for. We have boiler systems that are aging and in need of replacement. We got buildings such as the one behind me that is in need of a new roof. We've got maybe a year or 2 left in it.
When something breaks and something doesn't go well, if we don't have the dollars for that, it may need to come out of our general fund, which is the fund that can be used for staff and for teachers and counselors. And so by passing a facilities maintenance levy, it gives us dollars that are predictable over the next 6 years.
We know that our school facilities are not just used by our staff and students, but serve as community spaces for families and others.
This turf field's been awesome. I mean, we come here all the time.
They are used and rented by youth-centered groups, community partners, and even businesses.
We have a work team through our employer where it's just like a team building thing.
We have a strong ethos in our district that these are community assets, and with that comes extra use.
I've been playing here for 10 years now in this program, and it's been awesome.
It makes a big difference to be in a facility that is cared for, that there's enough space. Honestly, it makes it safer.
It's priceless, really, when you break it down in terms of the value it brings to the community.
We spend a lot of time in preparation before we would ever bring a measure forward to the community, and that it makes sense in the long-term vision of how we finance our school district.
This levy would provide around $11 million per year, and these funds would be dedicated to helping us maintain our buildings and facilities on behalf of our students and extended community.
You want to come into a space that is up-to-date, modern, functioning really well. When a building looks and feels that way, it just makes learning easier.
Look for this levy on the November ballot along with the supplemental operations levy. If you have any questions about the levies, please call us or visit bellinghamschools.org/levy2025 for more information. Please watch for your ballot in October, and don't forget to send in your ballot by November 4th.